Good morning. I am starting a hunter star quilt. I have cut out 5-inch square blocks here, and I've got the 5-inch square white. So I'm gonna sew all the way around these. Alright, I have cut these in two. I'll show you. I cut them, slice them up. Alright, I'm gonna go place these out and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm gonna trim this down to, make sure that's on. Yeah, on. I'm gonna trim this down to 2 3/4 inch block. And I cut out me a cardboard to show me. My big old ruler is hard to maneuver on these little bitty pieces. Alright, and I'm going to get all these done and I'll bring you back. Alright, I've got these. I'm going to make this one little block here. This is the way I'm going to put them. Now it's going to be 2 like this, and this one, I'm going to make 4 blocks of these, and that'll make 1 block. Okay. Let me get down here and sew this up. Since I've already got I'm just gonna fold this over here. Wait a minute. Now then. Alrighty. Alright, now when I get all these done, I'll these little ones, there's 8 of these blocks in a big block. But I'll bring you back when I get all of them made and show you how to put them together. All right, I've got all my hunter stars made. There you go. This going this way and that's going that way. Okay. I've got 5-inch square blocks of white and blue, and I'm going to get started putting these together, and I'll bring you back when I get through. All right, I'm fixing to sew these 5-inch square blocks together. I'm going to finger press these out. This is a lot easier than making the stars. There's the block for that. Let me see if you can see that. Oh, okay, you can. Okay. There's the block for that. Now I'm going to make 28 of those. And when I get this all sewed together, I'll bring it back. All right, this morning I'm going to get back to putting these together. I've got all my blocks made and I'm sewing them together. I've got those two. Every other one is the star. Get this pins out. All right. That's what they're gonna look like. I'll bring you back to the next. All right. I'm stitching the strips together now. This is the last one. It took me several days to make the stars. It wasn't hard to make the four patch right here. But those stars was a little challenge, but I got it done. But there too, the strip, the little stars, the little blocks are 2 3/4 inches wide, and it took 16 of those little squares to make a star. But when I get through with this, I'm gonna download this to YouTube, and I'll put the border on off camera. and it's going to be about the same. It's going to be the same material as the blue here, but it's got a pattern to it, strips on it. I ordered some batting, and it's supposed to be here in a few days, so I can't finish this until my batting gets here. I buy it as I need it. And I'll bring you back when I get ready. Alright, I've got all this pieced together. But I'm going to put the border in the back and the border on it later. But this is the Hunter's Star quilt. As you can see, there's designs in there. There's arrows here. But that is what it looks like. Let me get over the side view over here. But it is so pretty. And it was a little challenging to make the stars, but I showed you every step that it took. It took longer to make them than it did. There's 28 stars and 28 blocks like this. But it, like I said, you can see the arrows right there. Alright, if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much, and have a wonderful weekend.